everyone, welcome to my channel Crazy Rich Cooking. Welcome to the new year. New Year's tonight, right now, New Year Eve. I hope everything, whatever you wish, good luck for you guys. Okay, alright, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cocktail drink for the new year tonight. Okay, come on, let's start it. I'll call Mai Tai. Okay, see how they come out. Okay, first I'm gonna use it Bacardi's rum. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 glass. This is my measurement. I'm gonna make for 10 people. This is New Year drink. Okay, guys. Okay, 1. Put 1 in here first. Alright. And first, I'm gonna put pineapple juice, 100%. It says. Pineapple go in. I don't have no glass measure, so I measure by this. My right. Okay. Put in here. Then I'm gonna put orange juice. One glass. Orange juice. Okay, orange juice in. I'm gonna stir. See how it tastes, right? Oh wow, it's good. I'm gonna make more because I have party. Okay, 1 more carbonated alcohol. 1 cup, 1 glass of this. This is so good, guys. You don't believe it. And more orange juice. Alright, this is so good. Oh wow. Maybe get full now. I don't know. I don't want to get too full. Okay. This is crazy good. My goodness. And I'm gonna add peas snap. Okay. Very easy. This is for New Year, guys. New Year. I'm gonna go ahead and add this one on. Put all of this. Finish it up. Oh yes. Stir. Yes. Oh wow, it's so good. Alright. This is lime juice. I love sour. I'm gonna go ahead and put half in here. Let's put this. So simple to make the cocktail drink for New Year, guys. This. Wow, so good, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this in there. Oh, that's sour. Put sour. All right, is everything good? I'm gonna go ahead and put in a gallon right here. New Year drink, guys. New Year. We don't drink beer. We drink cocktail. I'm gonna make some more. Wow, perfect. Look at this. Oh, wow, perfect. Going down. Orange juice. Going down. Pineapple. Easy to make drink. This is New Year drink. I cannot wait to celebrate tonight in my friend's house. There you go. Oh yes. This is coconut alcohol, guys. Put coconut alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this. Coconut alcohol kind of sweet, okay? Go ahead, drop in here. Oh yes. And stir this. There you go. I'm gonna add lime. Finish lime juice in here. That's it. Very simple. Simple. Okay, done. Alright, put in container. Okay, now fill up to the container right here. Oh my god, we're gonna have fun tonight. You're gonna have a good time, guys. Oh yes, that's it. I'm dance, guys. Look at this. Simple, good, and enjoy. Happy New Year, guys. Alright, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe so I can show you more how I do it. So easy, and you can buy so expensive, you make on your own. Thank you, guys. See you next year. Bye bye. Happy New Year.